Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back. Here we have to scroll down in order to find the section which is called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So let's tap on it. Right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it's 23 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. If you wish to check some further details, you can tap inside the graph, and as you can see we can compare the screen time in specific days of the week. We can change the screen time to notifications or times opened, and under it we've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time we've spent on them. If you wish, you can enter a specific app and again you will have the dashboard, but obviously this time it is strictly connected with this one app. Moreover, here you've got the hourglass icon, and basically if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, for example, as you can see in my case on the camera, let's say, we can set the app timer. So let's tap on this timer icon and we can set it, for example, for 0 hours and 30 minutes. What it means, basically it means that we will be able to use the camera for 30 minutes each day. So after using the camera for 30 minutes, our device will disable it, and the timer will be reset at midnight. So the other day you will be again able to use it for 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Let me tap on OK. As you can see, the camera icon will immediately gray out, and we will not really be able to use it. After getting back into the home page, you can also see that it is grayed out here, and after attempting to enter it, here we've got this pop-out window with the information that the app is paused and the timer ran out and it will start again tomorrow. But obviously it will not, because we've got 0 hours and 0 minutes. Obviously you can change it here in the settings, but I think it's a really nice way to at least try to limit the usage of specific apps. So that's one of the, let me remove the timer, that's one of the ways to disconnect. As you can see under it, we've got the specific section, the app timers, so the option which I've just shown you. We've got also bedtime mode or focus mode, so let me explain maybe this one. Basically here you can select some kind of distracting apps, so those from which you're getting a lot of notifications. So it could be, I don't know, mail or social media or some kind of games. It depends on the specific person, obviously. Let me choose the camera, for example. Let's say the camera is distracting, and the photos. And now we have to tap on the set a schedule option. Now we can choose specific days and specific hours in which we would like to apply the schedule, this mode actually. You can mark them, it's totally up to you. You can choose start time and the end time, totally up to you, and tap on set. And now from now on, since the schedule is applied, your device will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps in those specific hours, so you'll have time and space to, I don't know, rest, spend time with your family, work, study, whatever you would like to do during that kind of schedule time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.